Hey guys, this is Ms. Rodriguez. In this video, we are going to be comparing two rational numbers. We have 3/4 and 8/10. So our first step is to convert all numbers to decimals. So that means we're going to use long division to convert this fraction into a decimal. So please make sure you're going to write this division on your paper. Okay, so our first step is we are going to use that strategy inside, outside. Okay, so that means 3 is going to be our dividend and 4 is going to be our divisor. Okay, but 4 does not go into 3, and so we're going to place a decimal 0 behind our dividend, behind our 3. We already said 4 doesn't go into 3, so let's go ahead and put a 0 up there. And let's bring our decimal straight up into our quotient. Okay, but 4 does go into 30. 4 goes into 37 times. Okay, now 4 times 7 is 28. And now I subtract. 30 minus 28 is 2. Okay, and I don't have any other numbers to bring down, but I have a remainder, so I need to place an extra 0 behind my dividend and bring it down. Now 4 does go into 25 times, exactly. 4 times 5 is 20. No remainder. Okay, so the decimal equivalent to 3/4 is 75 hundredths. So now my next step is to put this, or to line it up by the decimal in this place value chart over here. So I'm going to do that now. 75 hundredths. I'm going to do the same thing with 8/10. Now you'll notice that they don't extend to the same place value. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to place extra zeros. This is step 3. Place extra zeros so that all numbers extend to the same place value. You'll notice they don't do that. They need to both extend to the hundredths place. So since 75 hundredths goes to the hundredths place, we need to make 8/10 go to the hundredths place. So we just place an extra 0 and do that with a different color. Okay, so now it's 80 hundredths. And now we can clearly see that 80 hundredths is greater than 75 hundredths. And so that means that 8/10 is greater than 75 hundredths. And so looking back, now we know that 8/10 is greater than 3/4. Or if we were comparing 3/4 to 8/10, we would say 3/4 is less than 8/10. Make sure that you copy this down on your paper and take a picture for the next slide.